Hey Brian, this is Josh at Encore Mustang Parts about the driver's side strut tower you need. This is a 90. It does have some rust. I came in here with a wire wheel and cleaned off all the flaky stuff so you can see that, I mean, there is metal everywhere, but this back corner, there's a little right there in the corner, right at my fingertip. There is a little hole right there. I'll show you that from the other side in a minute, but that's all I really saw. It seems to be pretty structurally sound everywhere else but that. I'm gonna cut it pretty far for you. I'll come all the way up here by the sway bar. I'll come all the way back here by the firewall. So you can work with as much as you need if this is okay. I checked up here, nothing seemed to be broken, cracked, anything like that. Got the fender off so you can see on the inside. The light around here on the other side. Oh, maybe that's supposed to, maybe that hole's supposed to be there on the other side. See where I'm at? Maybe that's what I thought was a rust spot on the other side. Looks like it might just be a gap in the sheet metal. Either way, that's the only soft spot I see on this entire thing. This car was never wrecked hard, so I don't expect any of these pieces to be out of shape. Let's see if I can get you a better shot here of the entire thing.